Hello everyone, welcome to Views. Today we are going to discuss about the recursion. In the previous video, we have discussed about the clauses. If you haven't got that, please look into that. Because clauses are very important when we are learning the Go. Right? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the recursion. No? First, I will give you an introduction about the recursion. Right? Recursion is something like call a function inside that function, right? I will demo some example for you, then you can get a clear understand. In here there is a function, right, called ABC, right? And then inside the function I am calling the same function. This is the simple demo for recursion, right? Hope you got that one, right? Recursion means the call to function inside that function, right? Okay. In here, if we come to the ABC function, right? It calls again to the ABC function, right? It will recursively call again and again, right? Okay. We can resolve many problems using the recursion. For the demo purpose, I will give some example like this, right? You know about the factorial, right? What is the meaning of the factorial? Factorial 3 equals 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, right? What is factorial for? Factorial 4 equals 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, right? And then in here we can simply say like in this way, right? 3 multiply by what? Factorial of 2, right? Factorial of 2, because factorial of 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 1, right? In here we can simply write this, but 4 multiply by factorial of 3, right? Hope you got that. In here also we can write this like in this way, right? 3 multiply by 3 minus 1 factorial, right? This is the factorial mark, right? In here also we can write like in this way, 4 multiply by 4 minus 1 factorial, right? In this way we can get the factorial value, right? We can calculate the factorial by using the recursion. Okay, I will demo that one. In here I am write a function called fact, right? Fact. I am passing a random value as n and then return it. Okay, return some value here, right? And then first I want to define a base case. When we are working with the recursion, right, we want to define some base case, otherwise it will infinitely run, right? Okay, first we can say we all know about the what factorial 0 equals 1. We all know that one, right? This is a constant value, we can use that one, right? If we got a value like this, if n equal 0, we can say what is the factorial value of that 1, right? This is our base case, very important, right? This is our base case. Otherwise, our recursion function infinite, right? Okay. Then, if it is not equal to 0, if n is not equal to 0, we can simply say return what? We can get the factorial value by calling like in this way, n multiply by factorial what? N minus 1. We have so that right in here. In this example, we have demo that, right? We can get the factorial of some number by multiplying it in like this way, right? Okay. Then we will show some demo example for you. fmt dot println, right? Fact 3. What is the output of factorial 3, right? I will demo that one in here. First, I am passing the value 3, right? 3 I am passing here. Then in this function, now n is what? 3, right? It check this condition, it is not true, and then return n multiply by factorial n minus 1, right? And then it return what? It return in here 3 multiply, right? Multiply by 3 minus 1 factorial, right? I am rounded, that represents the factorial value, right? Okay, then this is the factorial 3 minus 1, right? Again it, what is the mean? It is 2, no? Right? It's equal to 2, and then it call again with the 2, right? Again it check the if n equal 0 not, then again return n multiply by factorial n minus 1, right? I will write this one as it. In here it call what? 2 multiply 2 minus 1, right? Factorial of 2 minus 1, it is equal to 1, right? Hope you got that thing. Okay, again it call to the factorial function here, right? With the 1. Now n equal 1, it check this one, no, 1 multiplied by factorial 0. Okay, I'm write that done as it. Okay, 1 multiply by what? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 factorial. I am rounded, that represent the factorial, right? It is equal to 0. Okay, now this is 0, right? This is 0. Okay, I will change the color. Now it calls again with the n value 0, right? It goes to the if condition and then return 1. This is the base condition, that is the very important thing, right? If you haven't put that one, it will infinite run, right? Okay, in here it will return the value but 1, right? Then 1 multiplied by 1 equals what? 1, right? Then we can get the factorial 1. What is 1, right? It is equal to 1. Then 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. Then we can get the factorial 2 here, right? Factorial 2 equals to 2. And then it multiplies 3 by 2 equal to 6. Then factorial 6 is, factorial 3 is 6, right? Hope you got that done. I will run this, and so the output for you, it is 6, right? You can put any number here, right? Then you can check the output, right? Please do the continuing practicing of this, because if you are learn the recursion in the first time, this is very hard to understand, but you want to draw like in this way, right? You can get multiple numbers, right? And then you can get draw this kind of a graph, right? Then you can get a clear understanding about how that recursion works, right? Okay, hope you have learned new things, right? This is it for recursion. There are many examples, right? You can try those things, right? I have given only one for you, right? If you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel and share this with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.